The Global Hawk has flown across the Pacific.
Wait, 1 to 4 days? Can I have a turn?
No pilot inside me can go anywhere dangerous.
Or maybe a little lion cub?
Breaking news! The Pentagon confirms a U.S. Air Force Global Hawk has discovered a hidden nuclear research facility in a remote canyon, not previously detected by satellite surveillance. The Global Hawk has flown across the Pacific, over the Himalayas, and past major cities, conducting uninterrupted reconnaissance for over 30 hours.
Oh, what? Even satellites missed it! But this drone found it! How?
Check out the screen! There are actually 2 big secrets, one by one. First up, check this out. Our Global Hawk is cruising at 20 kilometers. But where is the satellite? Look, it's orbiting way, way up there, 500 kilometers in space.
Whoa! It's flying so high! It's all the way out in space now!
With such a huge gap in height, how can a satellite see as sharply as the Global Hawk? But back down at the Global Hawk's height, it can see all the details of that secret base perfectly clear. See, Molly? The higher you fly, the more you see. But from sail that far, you lose the details.
Oh, I get it! So the satellite just needs a huge magnifying glass, right? Like, an all-giant super eye?
Actually, Molly, even a really giant eye can't fix that. The other secret is all about time.
Watch closely!
To see the difference, let's go side by side. 2 screens for 2 big secrets.
Wow! 2 screens! This is gonna be awesome! Pure tech magic!
Oh, which one do we look at first?
Let's all fire them both up, and let's start with the left one. Check it out, Molly. It looks like the satellite is just parked up in the sky, right? But nope, it's always racing around the whole world. See, Molly? It's zooming past just to give you a big wave. And it's gone. To make another lap and see this base again, it takes 1 to 4 days.
Wait, 1 to 4 days? Is our satellite such a slowpoke?
My snail moves faster than that.
No way. It's super fast. It zooms at 27,000 kilometers per hour. That's 30 times faster than a jet plane. But Earth is spinning away. It takes many laps to catch us again.
It's gone for days! I'm gonna miss it!
Well, Molly, there's another satellite that stays with you all the time. It's used for communication, weather, and navigation. Because it watches just one spot on Earth. So from Earth, it looks totally still.
It must be the best at freeze dance!
Silly Molly. But Kibo, different satellites do different things, right?
Exactly, Lena. These 2 satellites travel on different paths. Look, that frozen guy is called a stationary satellite. It follows the blue path, and the other one follows the red path. We can call it a moving satellite. You can see the stationary satellite flies the same way as Earth. So these 2 satellites make a team. Many hands make light work, and teamwork makes the dream work.
So, are the 3 of us a great team too?
Of course! We're the funnest science team in the world! Come on, let's check out the next one!
Okay, now let's see how the Global Hawk captures real-time images of the secret base, staying locked on its target for hours. First, remember what we just said. The lights fly over 500 kilometers high, but the Global Hawk only flies about 20 kilometers up. You know, the closer you are, the better you see. Second, moving satellites only pass by every few days, but the Global Hawk can stay locked on target for as long as we want. If you're always hanging around, nothing stays secret, right? Satellites are the scouts in the stars, while Global Hawks are the guardians in the sky. Both are essential. A perfect team, isn't it?
Amazing! But Kibo, the Global Hawk looks like it has no pilot. Is it a ghost plane? Well, who is flying it?
Not a ghost plane, Molly. It's what we call an unmanned aircraft. Let me show you where the pilot really is. Zooming in right now. Follow me to the control center. Welcome to the ground control station. The pilots stay right here, using computers and joysticks to fly the plane from thousands of miles away.
It looks just like a cockpit, but on the ground. And it's so much safer.
I feel like it's the ultimate remote-controlled plane. Can I have a turn?
Ha ha ha! Nice try, Molly. Actually, the Global Hawk is very smart. It can fly itself most of the time.
Wow, they look so relaxed.
I bet they're ready for a coffee break.
The pilots only take the controls during emergencies or when the flight needs a human's help.
This looks way easier than the F-35. And this office is so much bigger than that tiny cockpit.
It's like getting paid to play video games. I'm totally doing this when I grow up.
Well, Molly, great dream! You'll have to study hard and learn all about computers and AI. Beyond the military, you see, drones will have so many cool jobs. Want to see them in action? Check this out! Let's watch them go! And look at that one. It's delivering a hot pizza.
I'm hungry too.
Look out! The fire's out of control. The ladders can't reach that high, and it's way too dangerous for firefighters to go in. This is where this guy comes in. Look, the drone is carrying balls under it that put out fires.
Look, it's charging into the fire. No pilot inside means it can go anywhere dangerous.
More importantly, they can look for people in dangerous fires instead of firefighters. Drones are great for finding lost people in forests, even better than people and dogs. Here is why. 1. They fly high and search far. 2. Heat vision never misses a tiny life signal. 3. They never get tired with enough juice. 4. No fear of scary places for people or pups. 5. Sending live videos back to us right away. And that's how the boy was found.
Thank goodness.
His mommy will be so happy.
Drones are so much more. They are everywhere, growing yummy, healthy food for all of us. Diving deep into the dark ocean to find secrets we've never seen. Making sure our big bridges are safe.
Whoa! Is that our Golden Gate Bridge?
Even protecting wild animals, too.
Look, that silly little giraffe. Whoa! What a cute baby elephant. I want a pet elephant so much. Or maybe a little lion cub.
Molly, does your mom know you're this naughty?
Wow! Drones can really do anything.
Molly, do you still remember how drones are different from satellites?
Yes, I do. First is the altitude. Satellites are 500 kilometers high, but global hawks are only 20.
Exactly, and the second is...
The second is, satellites only visit once every few days, but global hawks can stay and keep staring as long as we want.
Great. And it's called a drone because...
Because, oh no, I kind of forgot.
So, friends, can you help Molly answer this question?
Thank you. Because there is no pilot inside. People control it from far away, and it can even fly by itself.
Okay, last question. Can you name some of the jobs that drones do for us?
Taking care of giraffes, helping elephants, and the lions. I want that lion.
Silly Molly. We also saw firefighting drones, search and rescue drones, farming drones, deep-sea drones, and bridge-checking drones.
Okay, that is all for today. Science is fun, right?
There are so many more fun topics to explore. Check out our playlist to find them. Remember to click subscribe right down below.
Bye. See you next time.